Are you tired of struggling to get accurate readings on your electrical projects? Here are the 5 best digital clamp meters I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter, 2000 counts. The Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter is an affordable option at just $21.99 that caught my eye with its auto-ranging features. If you want ease of use without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This clamp meter measures AC/DC voltage, AC current, resistance, capacitance, and even has a non-contact voltage tester. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its ability to measure current accurately, you can tackle household electrical issues without needing a degree in engineering. Plus, with 3,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly a popular choice among DIYers and pros alike. Now, some people complained about its inability to test DC current. Here's the thing though, if you primarily work with AC circuits, this limitation isn't a deal breaker. It still provides reliable results for most home and industrial applications. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need a reliable tool for basic electrical work. But skip this one if you're looking to work extensively with DC circuits. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this meter. Now, if the limitation on DC testing bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter with 4,000 counts for $35.99. What caught my attention is its enhanced measuring capabilities and user-friendly design. If you want to step up in accuracy and features, this is definitely worth a look. This clamp meter covers a wider range, measuring AC/DC current and voltage, frequency, and even duty cycle. With features like a large jaw opening, you won't need to interrupt your circuit to get accurate readings, which is a huge time saver. The fact that over 1,000 of these have been bought recently shows it's a solid choice for both electricians and hobbyists. Some users pointed out that it can take a bit to catch the readings in certain conditions. I'll be real with you, while this can be a minor hassle, the overall accuracy and range of features make it worth the small inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or a serious DIYer needing detailed readings. However, if you're just looking for something super simple, you might want to stick with the cheaper option. For the extra features, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're serious about detailed measurements. Product number 3, Klein Tools CL120 Digital Clamp Meter. The Klein Tools CL120 is priced at $64.98, and it's packed with features that really impressed me. If you need a clamp meter that can handle a bit of everything, this is worth your attention. This meter measures AC current and voltage, resistance, and continuity, and has a non-contact voltage test feature right in the clamp jaw. Its backlit display means you won't struggle to see readings in low light, which is crucial when you're working in tight or dark spaces. With numerous positive reviews, it's clearly trusted by many professionals. One downside is that the weight can be a little cumbersome, especially if you're using it for extended periods. But honestly, this is a small trade-off considering the range of features and durability it offers. This is perfect for you if you're a professional electrician or someone who frequently works with electrical systems. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight option for quick checks. It's a solid investment for the features you get. Now, if the weight of the Klein bothered you, the next product is much more portable while still delivering serious power. Product number 4, FNRSI DMC100 Digital Clamp Meter. We have the FNRSI DMC100 retailing at $46.99. This one genuinely surprised me with its advanced features and data analysis capabilities. If you want a meter that goes beyond the basics, this is definitely worth checking out. With a whopping 9,999 counts and the ability to measure a range of functions, including frequency and temperature, this meter is designed for serious users. The dual-theme HD display is especially user-friendly, allowing you to customize your viewing experience. With over 800 sold in just the past month, it's gaining traction for good reason. However, some users noted that the initial setup can be a bit complicated. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the data storage and trend tracking features are invaluable, especially for those deep dives into electrical systems. This is perfect for you if you're an advanced DIYer or professional looking for comprehensive data tracking capabilities. But if you just need something uncomplicated for simple tasks, you might want to consider a simpler model. Given the features, it's a fair price. Alright, that was impressive, but the final product on my list offers solid functionality at an unbeatable price. Product number 5. Astro AI Digital Clamp Meter in black, also at $21.99. This caught my attention for its straightforward design and impressive functionality. If you want a reliable clamp meter that won't break the bank, this is one to consider. Like its blue counterpart, this meter measures AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, and capacitance. The thoughtful design includes a backlit screen and a flashlight, which are practical features for low-light work environments. With over 700 units sold recently, it's clear that many find value in this tool. Some users mentioned that the clamp mechanism can feel a bit stiff. Honestly, that's a minor annoyance compared to the overall functionality and accuracy it offers. It's manageable, and you can adopt easily with a little practice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an entry-level tool that still delivers dependable results. Skip this one if you need something more advanced or feature-rich. For the price, it's really hard to beat. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap this up. To recap, we've looked at some fantastic options for digital clamp meters: the Astro AI 2000 counts, Astro AI 4000 counts, Klein Tools CL120, FNRSI DMC100, and the Astro AI block model. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Klein Tools CL120 because of its versatility and user-friendly design for professionals. For the one to avoid, I'd steer clear of the FNRSI DMC100 if you're looking for something beginner-friendly due to its complex features. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.